Hi guys, hi, it's Josh here, also known as Yoshi Bear J. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect your number to your Facebook ad account so you can do WhatsApp ads. WhatsApp ads are a very effective way to market to your audience, and it creates that stronger relationship so that prospective people can come in and they're more likely to convert. So we're not going to waste no time, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. Let's get into the video. This is very important, especially if you want to do WhatsApp advertising. If you want to do Facebook advertising using WhatsApp and you want to convert using WhatsApp, right? Because obviously you want to make sure that you're putting in either a business number. You could put your personal number. I prefer to put a business number there so that I can have easy access to my customers, or if people express some type of interest, then it's a lot more easier to convert them, right? And also, it makes it a lot easier to choose your specific WhatsApp number and account when doing WhatsApp ads through Facebook, right? For example, let me show you. When you go to the Create tab right here, select Sales, and you can see here it says Messenger and WhatsApp. Then you just click Continue, and then we'll go through here, and then we'll click Next. Then, guys, look, you select WhatsApp right here. And then when you select WhatsApp, it's going to ask you to select a page. It's going to ask you to select a page. So you can select the page and put your WhatsApp number in here, and I'll show you. So guys, I selected a page, and when you select a page, this pop-up will come up, right? It will basically say, it's basically asking us to put in our number in here for us to be able to do WhatsApp ads through Facebook. And once you put your number in here, then you click continue. So that's one way of doing it. Another way for some of you is this. When you choose your page, it's going to say connect WhatsApp account right underneath right here. And then all you got to do is just click that. And again, the same pop-up is going to pop up again to put in the number. It's pretty straightforward. You can do it through this way. But then there's another way to connect your number with the ad account so you can do WhatsApp ads. And I'll show you that right now. All you got to do is go to All Tools right here, then go to Business Settings and select Business Settings. Then guys, what happens is that you're going to be shown a bunch of different options on the left-hand side of your screen. And then all you want to do is select WhatsApp accounts right here. And when you select WhatsApp accounts, then it's going to ask you to add WhatsApp account. And then you can click here, and here it's going to tell you to put in a number in here. And once you put in a number in here, you just basically click continue. So I'll put in, and then you just click continue, and it's done. It's done. Once you've done this, now you can run WhatsApp ads through Facebook. WhatsApp ads are super effective, guys, super effective in terms of getting trust from the customer, allowing the customer to communicate with you, your brand, before they buy. It's such an effective way of advertising online. That's why I really advocate that you guys do this, especially if you are operating online in different markets around the world, right? So make sure that you put in the number in here and then click continue, and you're good to go, and you can run WhatsApp ads. So I've just shown you 3 ways of adding it. You can add it through choosing WhatsApp while you're creating your ads, and then it's going to prompt, the pop-up is going to come there, and then you can put in the number in there, and then you could also choose a second option. Then the third option is by doing it through the business settings. And then it's going to ask you the same thing here, and click continue, right? So guys, I hope that helps you. As usual, I'll be coming out with more marketing tips and tricks to help you in your business, and just to pretty much increase your knowledge in online marketing. As usual, I'll be coming back. See you guys later.